Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are making 5-minute healthy lunches. They're quick, easy, simple, because sometimes you don't have time to make a fancy lunch, but these are gonna be delicious and ready in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to see lots more healthy recipes, and I'll leave my healthy lunch playlist down in the description if you want more healthy lunch inspiration. And yeah, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're making is this chickpea mashed toast. I'm starting off with chickpeas, which are loaded with fiber and they're high in manganese, which is actually a cofactor you need in your body in order to make energy. I'm adding in some fresh basil. You can use whatever kind of fresh herbs that you have in your house, but I find the fresh herbs really make a difference. And then I'm adding in some avocado. Now I store my avocados in a stasher bag. This is kind of like a hack I use to keep the other half from browning. So I'm putting that in, and that's gonna give us some great healthy fats. They're gonna help keep us full, keep your skin glowing, and they're just so good for you. So you just scoop that out and put it in. And if you have frozen avocado, that would work as well here too. Then I'm going to add in the juice of half a lemon. The lemon adds so much freshness with the fresh herbs, plus it's alkalizing and it's just so good for your digestion too. So I'm squeezing that and kind of putting the seeds through my hands so that you don't get any seeds blended up in your mash. So go ahead and squeeze that out. So then I am taking a bagel. This is just the O'Dough's bagel, the pumpernickel one. I love this one because the bagel thins are quite thin. They're only 100 calories for one, but you still get that satisfying kind of bagel. So once you've blended it, now I only post it a few times so that it's a bit mashed up, but it's not pureed completely. And then all you have to do is stack that on top of your toast or gluten-free bagel, and it tastes so delicious. And you can blend this up, chop it up in less than 5 minutes, and put some on toast. Plus, if you have leftovers, they will keep in the fridge as well, so you could also have this all week long or for a couple days. Next up, we're making this Thai chicken salad. So this is kind of a spin on the other bowl you guys saw me do, the egg roll in a bowl. So to make the almond butter sauce, we of course need some almond butter, which is rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and then coconut aminos. So I'm using this instead of soy sauce. It's better for you, and it also has inositol, which is really good for your hormones too. So adding that in. But if you only have soy sauce, it will work as well. Teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, or you can use rice vinegar or white vinegar, whatever kind of vinegar you have, and then some ground ginger. You can also use fresh ginger if you have that, or if you have ground ginger, that works equally as well. So all you need to do is stir that together until everything is smooth and combined. And then we're going to be taking some slaw mix. Now this is a hack I use to make like a 5-minute lunch. If you buy like an Asian style slaw mix that has that kind of in it, all you have to do is add some protein like chicken or tofu or whatever you have on hand, some cashews for a little bit of crunch, and then in about 5 minutes that will be heated up, and then you add the almond butter sauce that you made while it was cooking. And there we go. You have a quick 5-minute lunch that you just made the sauce while it was cooking. And the key is to buy that slaw. It's basically just like a coleslaw mix that you cook down, you add the sauce to, and you will be good to go. And then once that's done, just put that into your bowl, and you can change up the nuts and the protein in here as well to whatever you have, even like leftover wise. So that's also what I like to do with chicken leftovers, is to use them in different ways such as this. And it makes such an Asian style like vibe salad that's really good for you and really quick to make. And lastly, we're making this Tahini Egg Bowl. So I'm starting off with a little bit of avocado oil in my pan, and again, adding a veggie mix. So this one had kale, cauliflower, and I believe butternut squash. While that's cooking, I'm also putting down an egg. Eggs cook really quickly. That's one of the reasons they're one of my favorite things to make when I need a quick meal. And we're gonna make our tahini sauce. So tahini is great because it's rich in methionine, and methionine actually aids your liver in the detoxification process. Lemon, we all know lemon is great. Himalayan salt, again, balances your pH, so many minerals, and I suggest using it as your staple salt in your kitchen. A little bit of garlic and stirring that up. So we're stirring this up, we're making this while our eggs cooking, our veggies are cooking, and the veggies are just a great way to get those in if they're already pre-cut and pre-made for you, because you just heat them up and they're quick to cook. You add the egg, and then we're gonna add in a few toppings, and it's quite easy to make a fancy, almost looking bowl, but it takes 5 minutes or less. So you put the egg on top. I'm adding some sunflower seeds for protein and vitamin B1, some pomegranate because I have been obsessed with pomegranate seeds lately, and then drizzling the tahini sauce on top. So this is also something where you can just throw in any kind of crunchy toppings that you have, any nuts, any seeds, or any kind of like berries or like pomegranates. And there you go. You have an egg tahini bowl. We made this super quick. It's got proteins, fats, and lots of veggies. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give it a good old thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.